Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Gather essentials before starting. Make sure to have a clean towel, a washcloth, mild baby soap, a diaper, and fresh clothes ready. Ensure the room is warm to keep the baby comfortable. Fill the bathtub with 2 to 3 inches of warm water, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.8 degrees Celsius, checking the temperature with your wrist or elbow. Gently place the baby in the tub, supporting their head and neck, and use a washcloth to gently clean the baby, starting from the face and moving towards the bottom. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap. Lastly, wrap the baby in a towel immediately after the bath to keep them warm, patting them dry before putting on a clean diaper and clothes.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.